Hello, this is a video tour of 851 Cap Street. This is the exterior of the building. It's located right around the corner from all the wonderful shops, coffee houses, restaurants in the Mission. Okay, so as you enter the building, there's a nice front patio here. This neighborhood gets lots of sunshine. A few steps up is a landing and the entrance to the building. Nice foyer. Mailboxes are safely tucked away here to the right. And here we are, Unit D. This is a top floor, 2-bedroom unit. You walk in and there is a nice big room up front. This is an L-shaped room. You have gas heat here. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout this apartment. To the right here is the bedroom, which is off the street. It is very quiet. You do get good amounts of sunlight here. Nice big closet. Here is the hallway closet, living room, which is located just off the kitchen. You have gas heat in here as well. This room gets a decent amount of natural light. You also have a huge pantry here, right across from the kitchen. The kitchen's been recently updated, and you have a gas range, refrigerator, beautiful Art Deco tile, lots of counter and cabinet space. Okay, here is the full bathroom. This has been newly redone. You have a shower with glass enclosure. And this is a converted bedroom. So you have 2 bedrooms, living room, dining room, and private laundry machines exclusive for this unit. Okay, if you are interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.